In this video, I wanted to show you real quick how to reset the change engine oil soon on a 2020 Chevy Trax. This is one of the weirdest vehicles for resetting that I have found. What you're going to want to do is look at this little your blinker knob here, and in order to clear that, you're going to press on the button at the end, and you'll notice that it cleared the screen there. And then you're going to press on this button that says menu, and it'll take it over to vehicle. Then you're going to press again on the end and hold it. It's going to say, are you sure that you want to reset? And in order to get to yes, you've got to turn this little thing here until it goes to yes. Then once it's on yes, then you can press this end button again. And now it has reset the oil life back to 100%. Again, one of the weirdest things. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.